Hi Kajol. So I'm just waiting for a few people to join and then we can start off. Today's topic is travel and trek stories. So hope you have a lot of things to share with me as well. People are joining. Do chat and share your stories as well so that I will also learn from your stories about travel. Yeah. So Kajol, do you travel? Do you like traveling a lot? So there's Hi Ravi. I was asking Kajol, does she love traveling or not? I want to ask you, Ravi, do you like traveling? Do you trek or travel? Any of the either of the two, or do you do both? Travel. Okay. So, what does travel mean to you, Ravi? You also travel. Okay. So, I just want to know what travel means to you guys because for different people, it means different things. Going to new places. Okay. That's a good thing to say. Yeah. What about you, Kajol? Any specific reason you want to like traveling? Just see the world. Okay. So I'll also tell you something that that's what I put it on my vision board as well. That to make memories in the world. I just want to go to different places and create memories there. So that's one of my dreams. So that's what I put it on my vision board. And I love traveling and trekking as well. And I was fortunate enough that I was able to take a break from my career and go for a travel for almost 1 year, and I took another year's break to write my book on travel. But I got that privilege. But from childhood time itself, that I used to travel a lot. And I think probably this because of my father, I fell in love with travel. Because every vacation, to summer vacations, we used to go from Delhi to Kerala and used to go on train. So I love train journeys a lot because हमें दिल्ली से केरला तक पहुंचने के लिए 48 आवर्स लगता था. एंड दैट टाइम बिकॉज वी वर नॉट दैट financially good, and also we didn't never used to take that AC wala thing. We used to go with that sleeper. So we used to sit near the window, explore what's around, what we could see outside the window. And वो ठंड जाते वक्त तो बहुत गर्मी होती थी because it used to be summer vacation. So May time में whenever we used to go, it used to be really peak summers. But by the time we used to return, it used to be monsoon. So sometimes used to come by Kerala Express, or there was some another train called Mangla Express, which used to come by Konkan Railway, Konkan route. तो दैट टाइम यू कुड सी ऑल द ग्रीनरी. सो बचपन से वो आदत थी ट्रैवल करने की, घूमने की. एंड ऑल्सो फॉर मी इट वॉज लाइक इट यूज टू I used to feel more alive when I used to travel, and the experience of traveling was like celebrating. It's like a celebration for me. तो बचपन से वो excitement, वो बहुत मजा आता था. That's what travel means to me. So and I used to listen to a lot of stories from my father. Though my father had not traveled much, he used to read a lot about traveling. So he used to take me on a walk. He used to be a chain smoker. So what he used to do is वो smoke करने के बाद थोड़े time walk के लिए जाते थे. And when he used to go for walks, he used to tell me a lot of stories, and stories not only about all these places, but also about the culture, about the people, and different kinds of places that exist in the world. And उस समय सुनने में बड़ा मजा आता था because ये सब चीजें आपने कभी देखी नहीं है, बस सुन रहे हो. और अपनी इमेजिनरी वर्ल्ड में अपनी दुनिया में इमेजिनरी वर्ल्ड में यू आर जस्ट इमेजिनिंग कि ऐसी चीजें होती होंगी. एंड ऊपर से I was a bookworm. I used to read lots and lots of books, and I used to be a library. I used to be a library monitor at that point of time in school days, and I used to read this Enid Blyton and ये Hardy Boys, all those famous five. वो जो books होती थी उसमें पूरा camping, वो bonfire and staying in forest area, ये सब बहुत पढ़ने में बड़ा मजा आता था. बट ये एक्सपीरियंस कभी करने को मिलेगा मुझे मालूम नहीं था बिकॉज व्हेन वी वर किड्स वी नेवर यूज्ड टू गेट दोस एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ कैंपिंग एनीवेयर. आज के टाइम पे तो there are a lot of options. You can go and camp in Himalayas, go and camp in wherever you want, in wherever the permits are there, and you can enjoy the nature as well. So उस ज़माने में, and we did not have that facilities to reach Himalayas at that point of time. The kind of constraints we had, I did not explore that much of trekking at that point of time. So recently, 3 years back, I mean 2016-17 के time पे I explored trekking, and it changed my world. And I knew that whatever I had a dream in my heart, my foot can take me to that places as well. And the kind of summit views you get after the climb is amazing. So trekking and traveling for me goes hand in hand. And I know a lot of people travel for different reasons, basically. And I've written a book called Achan's Flamingo. This is not a show to promote my book. It's just whatever I've written it from my heart, and that is whatever is written in this book. I'll share those snippets as well, because this is there available. The snippets are available in most of the social media which I've been writing, whether it's Insta, LinkedIn, or Facebook. So it's nothing which is just written for book itself. It's common. It's for reading for anybody who can read it. So I'll read some a paragraph from the book, which will tell you about that people travel for different reasons. What could be the reason? For getting a perspective about other cultures and ways of living, to see the different parts of one's own country or other regions of the world. So, or to just be away from the ordinary routine, or to learn to live life minimally, or to get rid of one's materialistic shackles to enjoy the vast panorama of nature's beauty, or to try out one's ability to be independent and attain a sense of accomplishment, and so on. And the urge behind the girl who's deciding to travel for the entire year was to celebrate life. And one of my reasons to travel was to celebrate life, to learn, to live in the moment, to introspect, and to learn about herself, to learn to be grateful for whatever she had been blessed with, and to open herself up to new experiences without constantly holding herself in check for the fear of things going wrong. So that is what I had written in a nutshell, that travel is so beautiful. It changes your world. So what did it do to me? So what the one liner, which is the crux of the entire book, says sometimes you have to lose yourself to find your new self. So for some people, it's their passion might be different from traveling, or it might be dancing, might be anything other creative aspirations people might have. But whatever it is, people should follow their dreams, because once you start following your dream, they have their own path, and they will take you to fulfill your dream as well. So that's another tagline which I always use: follow your dreams, they know the way. So once you start doing whatever you like doing, automatically law of attraction happens, and things start falling in that line, and you start accomplishing your own dreams, and your dreams comes true as well. Anyways, to not spend a lot. Okay, so yeah, Kajal, you don't need a lot of money for traveling. You need money, reasonable amount of money, but there are a lot of budget travel which is happening, as safer options available to travel as well. So you have to decide what kind of travel you want to do. If you want to do adventure travel, you want to explore, then you'll have to plan out your itinerary really well. That's what is required. So I also did the same thing. When I took a break, I planned out what all I needed to do. And another thing is, see your country first, because when you go outside India, when you do international destination, people definitely are so inquisitive about India. They will definitely ask about how much you know about India, because they feel that our country has so much to offer basically. आप चाहे नॉर्थ देख लो, चाहे आप ईस्ट देख लो, चाहे वेस्ट देख लो, आप जहां मर्जी, कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी देखो, या सिक्किम से लेके आप गुजरात तक देख लो, महाराष्ट्र देख लो, everything is so beautiful. And ours is a culturally rich country, so we do explore our own country first before you go to international destination, or mix and match. Then you will start appreciating what's already there. And don't use travel ki just घूम के आना है. Choose it as a to know your culture, basically, to know the people around, the local people, understand the cuisines which you are having. Try, experiment your life, because it changes everything for you, and you start accepting yourself the way you are, and you start accepting other people there as they are. And and the way you look at your life ki bas materialistic se zyada aap you will start enjoying the moments. Basically, it's important to collect moments than things. Instead of showing someone that you've got a branded watch, telling them a story about the place you visited is much more important. जो experiences हैं, जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो और आप किसी को सुनाते हो कहानी कि आप यहाँ गए थे, ये एक्सपीरियंस आपका हुआ, तो मजा आता है। वो उनको सुनने वाले को भी ऐसा लगता है काश वो भी वहां जाते हैं। तो आप एक जगह विजिट करते हो बट आपकी कहानियां के थ्रू वो और भी लोग आपकी उस जगह को विजिट कर सकते हैं। And make sure you don't travel like a tourist. Definitely travel like a traveler. There's a difference between a traveler and a tourist. So try becoming a traveler rather than a tourist. बस देख के लोगों से distance रख के और just अपने अपने to do list को tick करने वाला travel, don't do that kind of a travel. That is normally what a tourist does. When you are a traveler, go there, enjoy the nature, spend time, slow down, meet people, enjoy what is available there. Not look for complain कि ये यहाँ पे ऐसे होता है, यहाँ पे वैसे होना चाहिए था। जो मिले जैसा मिले वहां रहो। Because if you go to Ladakh, you go to Spiti and all those time, there are times when you don't get network, which is good in a way. So detox from the network, basically detox from your digital nomadic world, and enjoy the nature. So and don't and make sure that you're not in your own waste wherever you go. So I'm somebody who is a minimalist, and also don't like plastics too much. So I carry my wherever I go, I bring back the waste whichever I generate by using those plastic covers and all. वो जो भी generate होता है मेरी तरफ से, I just get it back to the city, because it's very difficult when you go to these remote areas and into the nature and all, and there is no way that it gets degraded, biodegrade होता नहीं है ये सब. So better है कि जो plastics या waste आप जो भी वहाँ पे यूज करते हैं प्लीज वापस लेकर आइए. Basically use things which do not have much plastic. Basically use a cutlery which is steel. It'll be useful basically. And on traveling is not, yeah, first a city, yeah, that's a good idea. First a city, next a state, next country. I'm trying to do this now. I am exploring my state. Okay, Sai, that's a good idea to do it. Yeah, definitely you should know your hometown, and specifically your country as well. That's a good idea to start with. And there are a lot of options. So आपको, if you look at all those Instagram videos, travel influencers के वीडियो देखोगे तो लगेगा यार ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और हम अपनी जॉब में, अपनी स्टडीज में बिजी है, हमारे पास टाइम नहीं. डोंट गेट इनटू फोमो. जितना जो है उसमें एंजॉय करो. अगर अपनी सिटी भी है ना, सिटी में भी आपको बहुत ऐसी चीजें, नई नई चीजें आएंगी, आपको पता ही नहीं होगा. सो मैं जिस सिटी में रहती हूँ, इट्स एन आइलैंड. It's I'm not born in this born and brought up in the city. I was born and brought up in Delhi, although I'm a Malayali, but I stay in a place called Vipin. Vipin is an island in Kochi, and till the time I did not have a vehicle here, I did not explore the lanes, by lanes inside this city, and it's so beautiful here. And it has surprised me. So that for almost 1.5 years, because of lockdown, I was here. Initial 6 months did not know much of this place, because I used to come here when I was a kid on my vacations to my granny's place. But later, once my parents moved here, I was not a very frequent visitor here. But this time, because I was here for 1.5 years, I was able to enjoy cycling. I mean, driving in this lane, and it was so beautiful. Yes, definitely you should. Even if you're in the city for a long time, you should explore your city much, because there must be something new coming up everywhere. For example, I'm from Delhi, but every time I go to Delhi, I'll find something new in Delhi. So वैसे ही different cities have their own charm, and so yeah, my one of my favorite city is Delhi, because I'm born and brought up there. Another one is Bangalore, another one is Bombay, and another one is my own native place, which is my hometown, which is Vipin. It's very beautiful. And yes, my Himalayas are, and if you look at, though my native place is around beaches, because I belong to this place called place called Vipin in Kochi. So it's surrounded by beaches and all, but my love for mountain is always there. So I love mountains a lot. So yeah, so whenever I travel, what the kind of travel I do is I need some hike so that I get to see the nature, and also get to see some water, and I get to travel and explore the local people, local culture as well. That's all the things which I keep in mind. I don't do a tick the box wala travel anymore. What I do is I generally go and stay, and it's a slow paced travel nowadays to enjoy wherever I am. So it might be that I'm at a place for a week, but I'm at that place and enjoying that place itself. So that's also important. What happens is we should do all kinds of travel as well. I don't say that you should not do solo travel, you should not do group travel, you should do this kind of travel. You should do all kinds of travel, because each travel experience teaches you something or the other. So I wanted to try. So when I took that sabbatical for a year to travel, I not only traveled alone, I did a solo trip to Bali. That was my first international trip, and it was really, really, I mean, it was worth it because the experience I got staying with locals, talking to locals, and and going and staying there for a long time in hostels and all, I got to know more about my own country, and also made a lot of friends from different countries as well. And I bonded over with people on music, on food, and a lot of different aspects, and it was very, very refreshing for me, and I just fell in love with my own country more basically. जैसे कहते हैं, जैसे कहते हैं कि यू लव योर कंट्री, जैसे होता है इश्क मोहब्बत हो गई है कि इतना कुछ है कि बोलते थकते नहीं है. एंड पीपल ऑल्सो एंजॉय व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट इंडिया एज सच, एंड बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ का कल्चर इतना रिच है, लोग ऐसे हैं, चीजें इतनी अच्छी हैं, एक्सपीरियंसेस इतने अच्छे हैं, लैंग्वेजेस इतने सारे, इतना कुछ है. और मेरे को नहीं लगता एक लाइफ टाइम भी पूरा पड़ेगा टू एक्सप्लोर आवर ओन कंट्री बेसिकली. So I had a great time and I did a solo trip. I went with my mother also to places like Abu Dhabi and all. मैं जब UAE गई थी, and I had a great time exploring with her, because for her these buildings, this desert safari, all of this. So experiencing with your parents when you go to a new place is also very nice, very different, because for them the excitement in their eyes, because you will see the kid in your parents coming out when they experience these kind of adventurous stuff when they're doing it at a certain age. So when they're at their 60s and 70s, if they do these adventurous things like desert safari and all of these things, and they're able to do it and they're able to enjoy it, the kind of enjoyment you see on their faces, the happiness it brings is really, really good, and you will feel really good about it. Same thing, go and travel with your friends, do travel with your cousins, do travel with your groups as well. You get to know how adaptable you are, how flexible you are. क्या आप snore करते हो, क्या आपके साथ कोई adjust कर सकता है कि नहीं, क्या आपको किसी से कुछ दिक्कत होती है कि नहीं. All those things will be answered, and you will make good friends, you will make bonds for lifetime when you travel with people basically. So even if I say that I did a solo trip, आप घर से तो शुरू अकेले ही करते हो, लेकिन रास्ते में लोग मिलते जाते हैं और कारवा बन जाता है. So it's वही है travel. So I travel to meet my soul family, जिनके साथ मैं नाच सकती हूँ, जिसके साथ मैं कहानियां बोल सकती हूँ, गा सकती हूँ, जो मन में आए वो मैं उनके साथ कर सकती हूँ. So that's I go out to find my own tribe, and I'm lucky enough that जहाँ पे भी गई हूँ मुझे मेरा एक बड़ा परिवार बनता ही गया है. So I have been very, very fortunate that way. And because I'm not fussy about food and all of those things, I enjoy all the cuisine. मैं वेज भी खाती हूँ, नॉन वेज भी खाती हूँ, जो मिले मैं वो खाती हूँ वहाँ पे. So मुझे इसलिए नया नया एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में मजा आता है. So do that. Don't be fussy about your food things as well, and share your life experience with other people as well. क्या पता कोई इंस्पायर हो जाए, क्योंकि आप जब पहाड़ों में जाते हैं तो लोगों को लगता है कि शहरों की लाइफ इतनी अच्छी है, धूम धमाका है, and they want to get there and they want to live a city life, and हमें लगता है यार शोर शराबे से जाके एक पीसफुल लाइफ जीनी चाहिए. या different people have different aspirations. So when you share your stories and you tell them how important education is, whatever they have in the whatever infrastructure people have around them also is enough for leading a beautiful life, then they will realize कि यार जो भी हमारे पास है वो भी बहुत खास ही है. So whether it is so you take a break, you have your monotonous life, but do take a break, do travel, do experience. कभी आप stargazing के लिए चले जाओ हिमालयस में, कभी आप स्टारगेजिंग का मन करता है वहां चले जाओ, कभी मानसून को एंजॉय करने के लिए आप साउथ आ सकते हो, वेस्ट जा सकते हो. So many places are there, and look at the way you want to plan your travel. Don't travel because XYZ travel कर रहा है, आपकी फैमिली में कोई travel कर रहा है, आपके friends travel कर रहे हैं. Travel because you want to travel, you want to experience it, and you want to celebrate your life as such. Because जब जो एक्सपीरियंसेस और जो चीजें आपको एड ऑन करती है आपकी लाइफ में एक ट्रैवल या ट्रैक, इवन इफ यू गो फॉर अ ट्रैक ऑल्सो, ट्रैक्स डजंट स्टार्ट एट अ हिल स्टेशन, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर जाके होता है. हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड ट्रैक्स आर ऑल 8,000 प्लस. सो यू कैन लुक एट योर फिजिक एंड योर फिटनेस लेवल एंड अकॉर्डिंगली डिसाइड ऑन द ट्रैक्स व्हिच यू वांट टू डू. और वो ट्रैक्स में भी आप यू कैन चूज. देयर आर ट्रैक्स इन उत्तराखंड, देयर आर ट्रैक्स इन हिमाचल, देयर आर ट्रैक्स इन what you call north east में है, there are western ghats में, सह्याद्री में, different kinds of treks are available. आपको क्या देखना है? अगर आपको देखना है जुगनू वाला ट्रैक देखना है, you can go to Maharashtra and do it. If you want to look at a स्नो देखना है तो स्नो के टाइम पे जाके आप ट्रैक कर सकते हैं. You want to do rappelling in snow, you can do a Buran Ghati trek. So there are different kinds and different terrains, different things which you can explore through travel as well. Some people only want to do expeditions, so वो expedition वाले जो माउंटेनियरिंग कोर्स करके एक्सपीडिशंस करना चाहते हैं. कुछ लोग हैं जो they just want to relax and enjoy in mountains. They do not want to do hike, which is also fine. So जिसको जो अच्छा लगता है उसी तरीके से इटनरी प्लान करके ट्रैवल जरूर करना चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो रीड अबाउट ट्रैवल एज वेल. रीडिंग इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज it opens up your mind, it brings you, it creates a curiosity in yourself. So travel has lot of benefits. It brings you, आपके dopamine level high हो जाते हैं and you become energetic, you become happy without any reason, and that means you become joyful. You start I don't know, I've always felt when people are traveling they're always happy. They are, I always see the kid in them basically, because they're so excited to because they've reached a new place, they want to try out new stuff. So many things you see in people, and it also brings me joy because when you are a traveler और आप एक जगह पे आराम से बैठ के अपना enjoy कर रहे हो and you see other travelers coming for some other purposes. कुछ लोग आते हैं किसी को और आगे जाना होता है, कोई बाइक में आया होता है, बड़ी 4x4 गाड़ी में जाने के लिए आया होता है, कोई उधर का सनसेट देखने के लिए आता है, कोई सनराइज देखने के लिए आया होता है, कोई स्नो देखने के लिए आता है. सबके अपने अपने रीजंस होते हैं. कोई अपना एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट करने आता है, करने आता है, अपनी खुशी बांटने आता है, या तो के लिए आते हैं लोग. एंड इट इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग एंड शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस. कहानियां सुनाते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा. आई मीन द फीलिंग आई कैन एक्सप्रेस कि मैं कैसे बताऊं आपको कि जो मजा आता है उन लोगों की कहानियां सुन के. एंड you start appreciating life more and you start becoming grateful कि life इतनी सुंदर है, इतनी beautiful है. And we crib about things which is not available in life, what is missing in life, instead of looking at things which are always available in life. हमारे को जो basic चीजें जो हमें खुश रखती हैं वो हमारे पास already freely है. और probably और हमें लगता है कि थोड़ा मेटेरियलिस्टिक चीजें, गाड़ी आएगी तो खुशी मिलती है, लेकिन अगर आप पैदल चल के देखो जो खुशी मिलती है, चढ़ाई करके देखो तो जो खुशी मिलती है, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. So there are so many things. And ये नहीं है कि आपको अपना नॉर्मल लाइफ को छोड़ के ट्रैवल करना चाहिए. इट्स अप टू यू. यू कैन मेक ट्रैवल एज अ करियर. यू कैन मेक ट्रैवल जस्ट फॉर लेजर. के बीच में बहुत ज्यादा काम हो गया, टेक अ ब्रेक, गो समवेयर, गो टू अ हिल स्टेशन, और मेक श्योर यू गो टू प्लेसेस विच यू हैव नेवर बीन. गो टू न्यू प्लेस एक्सप्लोर करो, खुद के साथ टाइम बिताओ. And if you can get a me time, it's so insightful. This travel can bring it's good for introspection as well. कहाँ जा रही है जिंदगी, वो देखने के लिए भी it's a very beautiful thing to do basically. And not only restrict yourself कि हाँ मेरी country बहुत बड़ी है तो मुझे सिर्फ मेरी country का ही travel करना चाहिए. Do that as well, but also explore your neighboring countries as well. Bhutan बहुत सुंदर है, पास में ही है. Nepal also has Himalayas, which is very very beautiful. If you want to look at Annapurna, if you want to look at the Everest regions, beautiful Macha Puchare mountains and all, it's beautiful out there. So explore those places as well. If you want to do scuba diving, you don't have to go to Bali. I went and did it in Bali, but you can do it in Lakshadweep, Andaman. There are all lot of things available here. And also if you are so busy on your weekdays, you can do a weekend trips basically. So अपने आजू बाजू के जगहों पे weekend getaways देखिए, and try out places which is not crowded, because you do not want to go to a place where there are too many people. And don't commercialize it, and make sure that, because जैसे I always say कि don't have things which are made in plastic and all of these things. Packet food नहीं खाइए, because if the demand is more, the supply will be there. So it's better to have all the cooked food which is done. जैसे कि आप बाहर गए तो पराठा, ब्रेड ऑमलेट खाइए जब पहाड़ों पे जाते हैं, instead of having those plastic packaged food of biscuits and all of those things, which is much more better. Basically healthy खाना खाइए, जो वहाँ बनता है, गर्मा गर्म चाय पीजिए. That's more important than having those bottled cokes and all. Having a Bisleri bottle is not that good. It's better to carry your own disposable bottle. और वहीं का स्ट्रीम का पानी पीजिए, कुछ नहीं होने वाला, कोई कीटाणु, कोई बीमारी नहीं आने वाली. You get good stream water when you go up for hikes and all. You can use those water as well. Carry a good DSLR, a camera with you. Capture your moments. Capture the beautiful moments which you can, because ये बाद में आपको आपकी यादों के लिए it's beautiful memories you create for your future basically. So कहते हैं ना, create memories, not क्या कहते हैं, collect moments, create memories, not things basically. That's what I wanted to say. And is there anything you wanted to know more about travel or trek? कोई story सुनना चाहते हैं कहीं की, या कोई एरिया के बारे में या कोई स्पेसिफिक ट्रैवल के बारे में, so do let me know in the chat so I can share that. Or I think somebody, best place you've been. So I like Spiti a lot. So I did a Pin Baba trek, and I had a great time. So Pin Baba trek करा था last July में कुछ, उसके बाद I came down to Spiti and I spent around 10 days in Spiti and it was a beautiful experience. Another place I like is Ladakh, Leh Ladakh. And there are lot many places, if you look at it, and also my hometown, my hometown is Vipin. I love this place. It's really really beautiful. So I have not seen, I've not explored Kerala as much as I wanted to, because whenever I come here I just like this place so much that I don't want to go out anywhere. Though I have explored places around this, where I stay, because of driving and cycling, I've gone to the bylanes and explored a lot of places around, but I have not explored much beyond, in Kerala. I need to do that. That's again in my to-do list to do. This year at least I have to explore Kerala. So Bali is also another favorite place for me. And Bali, I'll not say, because there is a time when you should go to Bali when it's non-touristy. When it is touristy, every place is crowded. But I went at a time, I went in August, though it was touristy time, but I stayed in places where there was not much, so I could enjoy the peace and serenity of that place as well. So wherever I had to go, I had stayed with the local family. I stayed in a hostel, but I was associated with the local families who took me wherever I wanted to go. I could understand their culture. I could eat the food they were cooking at their place. So I had that kind of a privilege. So I enjoyed it. So that's also important how you plan your trip. So now if you go at a touristy place, you will find these places very, very crowded. Okay. Anything else? And somebody was asking about money. So you don't budget, anyways, to not to spend lot of money, right? Yeah, Kajal was asking. So yeah, travel doesn't require much money, but it requires a planning, when you have to, how you have to plan it out. So you have to look at flights which are maybe at odd timing. If you take a late flight, stay over the airport for some time and take a morning metro. So I normally take a late night flight. So people keep asking me, why do I take a late night flight? Because when I reach the airport, I can finish my book. I love reading books. So one of the reason is to meet people, and it is quieter in the night, and I'm able to finish my books. Reading my books, I'm able to meet people. I interact with a lot of people on the way as well. So yeah, I get a lot of stories and inspiration from the people whom I meet on the way, whether whether somebody sitting in the stall or is somebody who's there on the book stall or a tea stall, anywhere. So I am a talkative person, so I generally get along with people really well. So that's why I always get, and everybody has a story. So when you start talking to them, they will, and you show interest in them, they will start sharing their own story. So then sometimes you get inspired from them as well. So yeah, so हमें लगता है कि only people who have money will travel. It's not like that. And everybody travels in their own way. So some people, they look forward, they collect money to go to their native place, and they have so many things to do in their native place as well. And the joy they have when they go to the native place, they keep telling, आज इस बार पता नहीं क्या नया होगा वहाँ पे. So that's how, it's very interesting to see those, what you call that, excitement in their eyes basically. So when they tell that I'm going home, when I'm going to my hometowns, because they know they're going to their own place and they have things to explore there as well. So yeah, routine से हटके जब जाते हैं लोग तो उनको हर चीज में मजा आता ही है. So ये travels also helps you to break a monotonous routine, and it also gives you a different perspective. आप एक चीज को सोच रहे बार बार, आपको solution नहीं दिख रहा है, just travel and come back and you will get an answer basically. बहुत बार ऐसी चीजें होती है. So when I do write, so if I'm stuck with something where I'm writing, if I go out and come, I just, वो block हट जाता है and I'm able to use the right words where I need to. So yeah, travel से anxiety, depression, stress सब खत्म हो जाता है. So you should, I think, अब खुश हो तो travel करो celebrate करने के लिए. If you're sad, do go out and celebrate. If you're mad, you're angry, still go and celebrate to travel. I mean, that's what I keep saying. Travel is something, it's a solution for everything. Travel is a therapy. So मतलब आपको help करता है, जिसकी आपको हर चीज, अपनी anxiety, अपने stress level, अपने आपकी problems को आपसे अलग होके देखने के लिए मदद करता है. So that's the only thing, because you are able to get the time off from the all the surroundings where you are. For example, if you're in a situation where there's a problem and you want to find a solution to it, you're not able to just uh, just take a break from that place. And हर जगह पे आप जाते हो तो एक अपना छोटा सा हिस्सा छोड़ के भी आते हो, वहां से कुछ चीजें लेके भी आते हो. So that's a refreshing thing which you get when you come back basically. And always look forward for something or the other. When you come back from travel, don't think oh मेरी travel खत्म हो गया. You look forward for something else कि अब मुझे आगे जाना है, मुझे करना है. Always have so I मेरा जो vision board में I always have travel places to go. I always put it there. If I'm not able to go, if somebody else is traveling, I'm so excited. If my friends tell me कि they're traveling, they're here or there, I'm so excited. I'm so happy for them. I'll just ask them कि आप picture share कर लेना, अपने experiences share करना. What did you do? Did you go there? If I've been to that place, I definitely ask आपने ये किया वो किया कि नहीं. It's so nice to know also. So when you are happy for other people when they travel, they'll also be happy when you are also traveling or when you do anything in life. So कहते हैं ना कोई कोई खुश है तो उसकी खुशी में खुश होना होना बहुत अच्छी बात है, बिकॉज वो एनर्जी पास ऑन होती है. एंड जब को खुशी की अट्रैक्शन और आप खुश होते हो तो और अच्छी चीजें होने लगती है लाइफ के अंदर. So मेरे लिए तो I think travel is my therapy, and I just don't need a reason to travel. So मेरे लिए तो I stay in a place called Bangalore and I work out of Bangalore. I work from home nowadays and my native is Vipin. So मुझे जब मन करता है तो I just come home. So मेरे लिए वो जो weekend का travel है वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे, because I can see the sea. Or otherwise if I feel like going via Delhi पहुंचती हूँ तो although it is but I have my places. A place called Noida where I stayed. So I find that a solace in that place as well. So मुझे मैं जहाँ जाती हूँ मुझे उस जगह में कुछ ना कुछ खूबसूरती नजर जरूर आती है. सो आई मेरे को एंड ट्रैवल से मुझे क्या कहते हैं, इट डज नॉट ओनली मेक मी हैप्पी एंड रिफ्रेशिंग, इट हेल्प्स मी लुक एट लाइफ दैट दिस मच मोर टू लाइफ बेसिकली. ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ कोई खत्म नहीं हो रही है, कोई रेस नहीं है. ऐसा लगता है लाइफ लाइफ है, लाइफ इज सो ब्यूटीफुल दैट यू हैव टू लिव इट. कोई भागा दौड़ी वाली कोई चीज नहीं है. सो you have to feel at the end of the day that you lived your life. You have to कहते हैं ना कि well lived basically. Somebody has to say that I well lived. बंदे ने क्या लाइफ जी है, ऐसा ही बोलना चाहिए. चाहे आपको जो चीज पसंद है, चाहे ट्रैवल पसंद हो, डांस पसंद हो, खाना पसंद हो, जो चीज पसंद हो, do it, because that's you should have that passion to passion in your life, something or the other apart from your day mundane jobs. Basically if you have a job which is so it's about your passion, it's really good. If you have a job which is different from your passion, enjoy your job when you're doing it, enjoy your passion, and also take out time for your well-being as well. because balance बहुत जरूरी है हर चीज में. ज्यादा ज्यादा कुछ भी चीज करोगे वो इम्बैलेंस हो जाती है. सो इवन इफ यू ट्रैवल टू मच you will start missing home. So yeah, so balance it out and do it. So yeah, so मेरे लिए भी है कि अगर मैंने पूरा एक साल ट्रैवल किया तो आई बीन कमिंग बैक होम बिकॉज आई नीड टू कम बैक. वो कहते हैं ना पंछी उड़ता है तो उसको घोंसले में वापस आना जरूरी है. That's how I feel that you should come back home. It feels good. I don't know how people do 6 months backpacking trip. I need to plan that in the coming years, but I don't know how people do it. But कि लेकिन मैंने जो भी ट्रिप्स किया I've been trying to come back home. So मुझे वो चीज़ चाहिए कि I need to be back home. सो ये थी मेरी थोड़ी बहुत छोटी मोटी कहानियां. सो जो मैंने अपने ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंस के साथ या ट्रैक एक्सपीरियंस के साथ जो भी मैंने gain किया, and I thought this is a good time to share something about travel and trek because I've been doing it for a long time. दो मैंने बहुत लेट शुरू किया ट्रैवलिंग, बैक टू बैक ट्रैवलिंग. मैं करती थी पहले भी ऑफिस के लिए फ्रेंड्स के साथ करती थी, बट ये जो अब मैं जो ट्रैवल करती हूँ it's very different. It's a slow paced and it's my way of celebrating life and giving it back to life or back to myself. Self care या self love बोलते हैं. That is what travel means for me. Travel is my therapy for everything, my solution for everything which I can tell you. मुझे जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम लगता है, खुशी होती है, उन्हें वही when I feel good I travel. If I feel sad, if I feel mad, I travel. It's so refreshing for me. I don't know if you have any questions, do ask me so I can answer those questions, or you want to know more about it, you can, whatever you have, anything in your mind, you can do ask me about it. Hmm. Is that easy? You travel alone. Yeah, I have traveled alone a lot, so it's not that tough to travel alone. Solo travel is, you have to take your own precautions, but yeah, it's traveling alone is not a problem. Solo travels are not that scary, but yeah, you need to be cautious of where you're traveling, what time you're traveling, and then it's fine. And because don't travel alone in buses very late, or don't travel very early in the morning. Those are things. Some places it's all fine. It depends where you are, and depends what time you're traveling, what place. All of this matters. Otherwise, traveling alone is not a tough thing to do. And it's not that you're only traveling. There's so many. It's so, you feel that you are traveling alone, but there are so many people traveling alone that आप शुरू अकेले करते हो, you will meet people on the way. So even if you want to, you're traveling alone in a bus, you will find a lot of people in the bus who are going in the same direction. Talk to them. You will find friends in the strangers as well. And sometimes they are the best friends to give you company also. I've done bike trips with strangers. I've been on 4x4 with strangers, and they've been the best friends. They're still, the bond which we share is really, really good. So maybe they are half my age, or maybe 30 years younger to me, or 20 years younger to me. But the bond which we share is that, कहते हैं ना, वो tribe मिल गया है मुझे. So if the vibe matches, you find your own tribe. That matters only. और travel में कोई age नहीं होती. There is no age which is required for traveling. Anybody can travel. It's just a mindset which you need to travel. If you have a health issue, then be careful when you're doing hiking and all of those things, because और high altitude में जाओगे तो उसके precautions लेने जरूरी हैं. But otherwise, probably not, you don't have to be very scared when you're traveling alone. Bindas, okay, travel karo, because when you feel fear when you're traveling, you attract fear as well. So it's better okay travel करोगे तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, and you will understand what I'm saying. So I answered your question, Kajol. Anybody else has any questions? I think I have today also have exceeded 7 minutes. Basically, 30 minutes का time दिया जाता है for these sessions. I've exceeded another 7 minutes now. If you have any questions, do let me know, and then I can answer, or otherwise I can end the show here, because travel and trekking is a very topic which is very close to my heart. I love to see your passion. Thank you so much, Kajol. Yeah. So I want everybody to follow their passion. It's not that they have to follow traveling. They can follow any passion, and that's what that I said it in the middle of this session also. Follow your dreams. They know the way. So yes, and when I talk about my book, which I've written about travel and treks, it's not promoting my book anywhere. It's just to tell people that if you have a passion, follow it, and definitely your dreams will come true. Basically, you'll be able to fulfill your dreams. एक ही लाइफ है, अच्छे से जियो. That's the only thing. I think there are no questions. If there are no questions, then I can end the show for today. And so my Insta ID is Gatsi_Musafir. If you have any questions related to travel, trek, or want to know about chartered accountancy profession or finance profession as such, or you want to talk about writing, poetry, or dance, I'm a dancer as well. All those things you want to have any questions regarding this, or want to know more about it, you can always DM me, and I'll be happy to answer those questions as well. Take care. Follow your passion. एक लाइफ है, अच्छे से जियो. Thanks for your time, everyone. Take care. Bye. Good night.